thing rides so smooth. This thing rides so smooth. Yeah, thank you, y'all.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Yeah, man. Putting the car cover all the bottles. Thing about to finally go at the shouting shop. Supposed to be one up there, man. You know what I'm saying? Finally about to go up there, though. Drive it up there. Yeah. You know, y'all got an oil leak. Y'all know I got bought valve cover and stuff already. I'm gonna let Shawty figure all this stuff out, dot it all way in, you know. Oh, he fool with ear old school, you know what I'm saying? That's what it's supposed to be went to, really. So, man, he been having so much life and life on everybody, man. Feel me? I'm talking about everybody. So, when people have no type of problem, I know how I feel. You know what I'm saying? Everybody go through something, bro. Some people go through more than others. Yeah. Everybody go through something. Some people go through more than others. You just gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. I know I've been through so much, man. A lot of this stuff's supposed to been done, man. A lot of it don't be my fault, but shoot, it's still life. You know? Man, I just be trying to keep it silent and keep it, you know, keep it, stay focused on what I got going on and my goals, man. That's all I can do. Yeah. Get bought by the right. Everything right on up here to shout. Make sure the gas straight. And make sure I got enough gas in this thing, cause by these things, these old engine will run out of gas on. Make sure I got enough gas, boy. These old engine will run out of gas on you, boy. And he said he feel like the valve cover leaking. I mean, I put my hand back there one day to see, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I'm just being, I don't know, man. Like, he said it leaking, so I got new valve covers. It might be, but I don't know, man. I know they've been replaced before. But I said he gonna figure it out. He gonna figure it out. I ain't got no neck. I shouldn't even touch that. Like, the hell was I thinking? What the hell? Oh yeah, rally. The hell was I thinking? Should never touch that like that. Y'all know I changed all these door locks. I gotta do my short bed like that. You feel me? Short bed get the same treatment. I'm gonna try to crank this thing up right fast, man. You better try. I gotta hook everything up, man. Everybody had about to come borrow my car. But I couldn't show y'all what I had to do for it to get power anyway. You feel me? All the normal stuff y'all think it be, it ain't that. It's some steps. By the time you try to take all those steps, you been got shot 1,000 times, man. Oh God, man. Everything's secured well, dog. Real. Everything's secured well, dog. You got shot by 1,000 times. All that playing. Man, I don't need no radio. We ain't doing all that. Cut it off. Hold on. We don't need no radio. Hold on, I was saying, by that gas, boy. We don't need no radio. I'm tell y'all about that game, bro. Man, they been pump about 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yeah, man. Fuel pump get going crazy. Yeah, fuel pump get working. Brand new fuel pump. Let that thing get working. Get out for him. Tell him about I might come alive. Don't come alive, Dad. Hold on, boy. It might be real low, boy. It might not be no gas, boy. That might not be no gas, boy. I know my car, boy. But I know my car, boy. See that? But I ain't even nothing got going, boy. Hold on, bro. Yeah, y'all. Shouldn't take this long. Yeah. It got to be. She needs some gas. I rode her for a good while last time, though. I know she probably needs gas. Yeah. Man, about to keep cranking it. My cord getting hot. I'm about to keep. Yeah. She needs some gas. Yeah, hot, man. She needs some gas. She needs some gas. Look, but that thing went bone. Yeah. She needs some gas. We got that tank over here though. Run that thing up the road. You feel me? Let's find out, y'all. I had a little gas in it. I had a little gas in that thing. Just pulled it in there. Yeah. Box fired up. Be another ride to the gas station, put some more in there, take it on down the road for more. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, that's all I need. There's just enough in there. Soon I put that in there, thing fired right up. Yeah, so we like to hit the gas station with it. We gotta go premium. Oh my God, y'all. Oh, I got a bag up, y'all. Too far. Yeah, bank here, y'all. About 45. Look at the light. Lights. Clean still though. No lie, bro. This thing rides so smooth. This thing rides so smooth. Can't even front. And then try to redo bank here too, so you know what I'm saying, it's a little smooth. This thing rides smooth though. I'm almost at the shop. Probably like 2 minutes away from the shop now. That ride smooth, bro. Little cruising. Got that bitch up into my man's. Let my man do his thing. Yeah. Right up into the man. Man, do his thing, man.